For over 45 years, it has drifted through deep space, leaving behind the world that built it. Voyager 1, humanity's most distant spacecraft, quietly sailed beyond the planets, becoming Earth's silent ambassador to the stars. Built with technology older than most smartphones, it kept transmitting across the void, revealing secrets of interstellar space. But now, it's doing something strange, something even NASA didn't expect. Garbled signals. Rows of zeros. Repeating, cryptic patterns. And yet, Voyager isn't dead. It's alive, but it's speaking in a new language. What happened at the edge of our solar system? Is Voyager malfunctioning, or did it encounter something beyond our understanding? Launched in 1977, just months after Star Wars premiered, Voyager was never meant to last this long. Its computers are prehistoric. But they navigated flawlessly past Jupiter, captured Saturn's storms, and revealed the haze of Titan. Then it slipped past the planets, and into the dark. In 2012, Voyager became the first human-made object to cross into true interstellar space. No longer in the sun's protective bubble, it became a kind of ghost ship, drifting, alone, through the galaxy. It's now over 14.5 billion miles away, speeding through the cosmos at 38,000 miles per hour. Every signal takes over 20 hours to reach Earth. And for years, those signals were steady, reports of plasma fields, radiation levels, and interstellar particles. Until one day in 2023, something changed. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory noticed that Voyager's attitude control computer, the AACS, was sending nonsense. Not orientation data, but streams of zeros, and the strange repetition of the number 377. And yet, the spacecraft wasn't in fault mode. It was functioning. Its antenna was still aimed perfectly at Earth. That made it even more disturbing. Only the data was wrong, as if the probe had chosen to speak differently. NASA first assumed a glitch. Maybe radiation had scrambled a few bits. But Voyager has backups. It has error correction systems. None of them triggered. It was as if something had intentionally altered the probe's behavior. Suzanne Dodd, Voyager's project manager, said something chilling. It's like Voyager is speaking in a new language. That statement sent ripples through the scientific community. Because space probes don't evolve. Their software doesn't change, unless something changes it. Was it radiation? Or had Voyager crossed into something unknown, a region of space where the very fabric behaves differently? The farther Voyager travels, the more alien its environment becomes. It's beyond the heliopause, beyond the last whispers of solar wind. Out here, our maps end. Our models break down. And Voyager keeps going. To the public, it's just a machine. But to the engineers, it's a survivor. A historian of the cosmos. And now, it may be whispering something we can't decode. It's currently in a region where magnetic fields twist in unfamiliar ways and radiation spikes unpredictably. Some question whether the laws of physics still hold here. Could Voyager be showing us that they bend? Its golden record still spins, a message to anyone or anything that might find it. But what if Voyager is no longer alone? What if something is listening? Or worse, what if something has answered? This isn't static. It's a machine trying to talk. NASA made a bold move. They sent a remote command, essentially brain surgery across billions of miles, to reboot Voyager's memory subsystem. For a moment, it worked. Data began flowing again. But it was stranger than before. Patterns repeated every 3, 7, and 13 hours. Not random. Not noise. But structured. Consistent. Too clean to be failure. Too regular for chance. It was as if Voyager was transmitting something. Or perhaps, being used. Deep space is not empty. It's filled with plasma flows, dark currents, and stellar echoes. Voyager may have entered a region of interference, or something more exotic. Some researchers believe space has zones, not walls, but boundaries where time, gravity, or energy change. Not metaphorically, literally. Voyager's internal clock now ticks unevenly, not due to malfunction, but perhaps due to time distortion. If true, Voyager isn't broken. It's just beyond us. A lone traveler, drifting through a realm where human physics begins to fail. Where data becomes language. Where silence becomes a message. Its systems still hum. Its golden record still plays. Until its plutonium heart cools, it will drift, quietly, relentlessly, through the dark. And maybe, just maybe, its final transmissions aren't glitches. Maybe they're its last, desperate attempt to say, I was here. I saw something you can't understand. Voyager was built to last a few years. It endured for decades. Its signal was expected to fade. Instead, it evolved. Its final message may confirm our greatest fear. That this edge of space isn't a boundary. It's a threshold. A place where our tools no longer work. Where our models no longer fit. Where the signal didn't just become corrupted, it became alien. Still speaking, but in a language not meant for us. A whisper from a reality we were never meant to touch. This spacecraft, built by dreamers, now floats in the unknown. Maybe that was its real mission, not just to explore, but to remind us of our limits. That beyond everything we know, lies everything we don't. So what do you think Voyager found? A failure in code, or a message from beyond? Was it a malfunction, or a discovery we can't yet grasp? Leave your thoughts in the comments. We're still listening. And if you believe the Voyager story isn't over, if you believe the cosmos still has more to say, subscribe.